Monday, July 4th, 2022, 8:40 p.m. Okay, again, p.m. This is the time that the markets, are closed. It's a holiday, obviously, but you do know that futures trade almost 24 hours, with some breaks. And the futures are open now. This is going to be Tuesday's session, so whatever trades we enter now will be for Tuesday's session. It looks like we have a good short here. We're going to enter 3 contracts, and that's part of the reason why we are actually even trading today, is because we see really good opportunity here. The market's rallied and on the 3-minute chart, and now it looks like a really good short. If you want to look at the other time frames, the 1-day chart, okay, here's what that looks like, the daily chart. Here's what the hourly chart looks like. Okay, we're above the moving averages, but heavy resistance. Here's the 30-minute chart. Again, above the moving averages, but heavy resistance. And also you see how these last 4 candles look like it might be a top. Okay, let's look at the 15-minute chart. Okay, similar situation, hitting resistance it looks like. Okay, let's look at the 5-minute chart. Okay, for the 5-minute chart, we see again it's under some of the moving averages, above some, under the fast moving averages, the green and the yellow, but we do need to take out this cayenne moving average, the light blue moving average to the downside, for confirmation on our short. And here's a 1-minute chart. Okay, so back to the 3-minute chart, which is the one we entered on. A good idea usually to focus on the same chart you enter on to monitor your position and make your decisions. So we entered here because of the crossover under the green and the yellow, because we look like we hit a little top here, so now in terms of our stop, we could put our stop in at 51.5. We could put in our stop in at 54.5. We could put in our stop at 58.5. Okay, so our average cost is 45. Okay, we do have 3 contracts in, so that's 3 times as much leverage as having 1 contract, obviously. So in terms of where we put our stop, let's look at the 5-minute again. Let's look at the 15-minute. 30-minute. 1-minute. And 3-minute. Okay, so we'll put in our stop at 54.5. Alright, let's see what happens. Okay, it is Monday, July 4th, 2022, 8:46 p.m. We are seeing a pop above the moving averages here. We may just want to get out of our short, maybe even go long. Yeah, things do look good in terms of the longs and the way this is moving right now. Okay, but we do have this very choppy 1-minute chart. Okay, so we don't know if we want to rush to make a decision. 5-minute, again, let's see here. Okay, let's look at the 15-minute. Let's look at the 1-minute again. Okay, so 3-minute one more time. So yeah, the fact that it's above these moving averages does provide a reason for us to be a little more cautious. But again, it all depends on, it's not the first time it went above in the session. Many times, as you can see, and then came right back down, found support at the cayenne line. So, and it looks like we are going down again. So yeah, for now we'll do nothing. Let's see what happens. We have our stop in either way. Okay, let's go back to the 1 minute chart. Yeah, again, looks pretty, yeah, I think we can just sit and wait with this and just keep our stop there. It is Monday, July 4th, 2022, 8:56 p.m. We're looking at the S&P 500 futures before the New York Stock Exchange opens, way before. We're talking, basically the night before. Futures just recently opened up again after being closed. So what we're going to do is we're going to change our stop, and we're going to move from 54.5 to 58.5, which will take us right above the high of the day of 57.75, 38.57.75. And then we're also going to put in a limit order for 3 of them at 38.21. Okay? The reason we're doing 21 is, don't forget, we want to have a maximum gain because of the 40% rule of about a little under 3,600. So after commissions, it will be under 3,600. Gross, it'll be 3,600, but when we take our commissions, it'll be a drop less. And that's about that. And then if we're wrong on this trade, we'll lose about 2,000 or so. So not exactly double, but almost 2-to-1 ratio in terms of risk to reward. Again, not exactly, but ballpark. I mean, we're talking 3,600 if we're right, 2,000 if we're wrong. So yeah, pretty good ratio. Okay, that's the story. We're right now at 38.46.5, 38.46 even actually. And then we have our stop here at 38.58.5, and then we have our limit right here at 38.21. All right, let's see what happens. It is Monday, July 4th, 2022. Let's put in our order on the chart so you can see what's going on. Okay, there you go. So you see our X right there. That's where we got in. You see on top, that's where our stop is, right above the high of the session. And then you see on the bottom, these 3 right here at 38.21. That's where we're looking to get out of our position and take our profits. So that's the story. This is where the market is right now, 38.47.5. The X is where we got in. And that's how it looks like on the chart, okay? All right, let's see what happens. It is Monday, July 4th, 2022, 9:06 p.m. I just wanted to show you guys how many actually contracts trade. You see here it says total to the left. So at the high of the day, we only traded like 1 contract, and then look how light the volume is all the way, above there at the highs, 12, 18, 30, very light volume, 125 at 38.55, 38.55. We had 205 at 38.54. Then we got 613 at 38.51 3/4. But all of them very low. Here we see a little bit more, 950 at 38.48. See some more here, 38.47, 986. So obviously, very light trade. And downside, same thing, very, very light number of contracts. So important to note that. Okay, we did go briefly into profitability on the trade. Now we're negative again, 187.50. Okay, and again here you see exactly where we went in, our stop, our level we're looking to get out at, and that is the story. Let's see what happens. 38.46.5 right now. 38.46 3/4. We're down about 300. It is Tuesday, July 5th, 2022, 4:13 a.m. Okay, we're short, and the market's going our way. We are at 38.25. We have an order sitting at 38.21. We have our stop all the way up there at 38.58.5. Okay, and we see that the market finally is going our way. Let's put in the order so you can see what's going on here. Okay, there we go. And the order's right here. Okay, we went short right there where the X is, right there. Okay, at 38.45. Okay, so we went short right there. Market went up a little, down a little, and then finally, boom, collapsed. We're getting very close right now. We're to our level. We're at 38.23 and 3/4, 38.24. Okay, we're looking for a hit. How awesome is this to be basically done with trading if once we hit 38.21 and the market didn't even open yet? I mean, but again, we just have to hit our 3600, just a little under 3600. With commissions, it'll be exactly there. We put in our order right away. Well, not right away, but almost right away. Our limit order and our stop. Okay, so here we go. Let's see what happens. We're getting very close. 38.23.5. 2 3/4. 38.23 3/4. That's what order is. Okay. Short right there. 38.23 1/4, 38.23.5. Very close. See our order right there. 38.21 even. There's our order. We're at 38.23.5. 4:16 a.m. Let's see what happens. Alright, it is 4:16 a.m. Tuesday, July 5th, 2022. We're getting very close. 38.22.5. Okay, we're looking for a 38.21 fill. Getting super close. We're literally sitting right there. You see, that's our order right there. See, waiting to get filled. That line on the bottom. Okay, we're at 38.23 right now. 38.22 3/4. We have a high of 38.57 3/4. A low of 37.93. We're at 38.22.5. 22 1/4. Very close. 38.22 3/4. 38.22 1/4. 38.22 even. 38.22 3/4. 23. 38.23. 38.22.5, 38.22 1/4, 38.22 even, 38.21 3/4. We're getting very close. It's 4:18 a.m. this Tuesday, July 5th, 2022. We started trading Monday evening. Okay. Again, futures trade almost 24 hours. That's really awesome. Still haven't hit it. Popped up. We're at 38.23.5 right now. Got very close. Still not filled. $38.23 even. 38.22 3/4. 38.22 1/2. 38.22. And half still, 3 3/4 still, almost there, about 1.5 away or so, 2 points. 38.22 3/4, 1 3/4 points away, roughly. 38.22 3/4. Oh, 30. Here we go. We're getting very close. 38.21 3/4. 38.22. 38.25. 38.22. 38.22. 38.21 3/4 just printed. 38.21 3/4. 38.21 1/2. Okay, we're getting very close. It's 4:20 a.m. 38.21. Boom. We got filled on 2. Okay, we got one more to go. We got filled on 2. Got one more to go. We got filled on 2 at 38.21, I believe. Let's check. Yep, 38.21. We got one left. One left. Okay. I mean, we could just get out, but now we're going to get our... Oh, here we go. 38.21 3/4. 38.22. 38.22. 38.22 1/2. 38.22 3/4. 38.22 1/2. 38.22 3/4. 38.22 3/4. Still nothing. Look at that. We got really close. See, we got just filled right there. You see that? Here's what we got in. Shorted here. And here's what we covered. Beautiful trade, actually. Very beautiful trade. Market's not even open yet. I mean, the New York Stock Exchange. 38.22 1/2. 4:21 a.m. This Tuesday, July 5th, 2022. Still waiting to get filled. 38.22 even. 38.22 even. 22 1/4. 38.21 3/4. 38.21 1/2. 38.21 1/4. 38.21 1/2. Teasing us, huh? 38.21 3/4. 38.22. 38.21 3/4. 38.21 3/4. Still no fill. 38.21 3/4. 38.21 1/2. 30. Boom. 38.21 fill. Okay. All three were out at 38.21. We are exactly up 3,600 on the day. Okay, we canceled all our orders. There are no orders left. See, there we go. We're out. Okay, so we're done. Tuesday, July 5th, 2022, 4:23 a.m. We're done on the day. Here we go. Here's where we entered. Here's where we got out. Okay, and we're done. Right? We went in at about 8:41 p.m. and we got out at about 4:20 to 4:22 this morning. Okay? All right, we're good to go. Yes, it is going lower. Like I said, we could go for higher gains. We could go to build things up, but the requirement is 40% maximum of the profit per day for this step too, and that would mean a little bit under 3,600, and with the commissions, it's a little bit under 3,600. Okay, have a great day, guys. Enjoy. We're going to be free to do other things today because we're done trading. Okay, take care.